Your name?
My name is Abhishek. She is Devi.
So how did you start your fitness journey?
So that's all. She is Mrs. Karnataka 2024. So she started the journey like last year.
Not
Now
last year. Basically,
it's
it's been 4 years we started. During COVID, we put on weight and we wanted to reduce and get back to fitness. And we saw ourselves putting on weight. So we thought, let's go to gym and then work out.
But usually we have only 2 meals per day.
Only 2 meals.
Only
Sometimes
2 meals.
one.
So you skip breakfast.
Mostly it will be lunch. We don't eat
Mostly
lunch.
we skip breakfast. We don't eat at all.
Okay. So you target for protein intake?
No.
No.
Initially, he used to.
Initially we took this muscle place, but I don't think so it worked out.
No supplement.
No
supplements and all. No creatine.
No, nothing.
What's a milestone you both are proud of reaching?
Before, I think at the time of COVID, I reached 90 plus. Okay. So, and then once you have this weight, put on weight, so you don't feel like doing anything, right? And you become very lazy. So then she started gymming and all this stuff, Then I saw, we kept a trainer for 3 months at the beginning. Then we saw the progress, I reduced it to 78. Then we actually ate only sweet potato for, I think, 3 months. Just sweet potato.
Only sweet potato.
Only sweet potato, nothing else. No junk food, no oil, nothing.
Just chicken.
Chicken
egg,
on
sweet
300 to 400 grams of chicken with 2 spoons of oil.
Only real food.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and sweet potato. That's it. We tried for 3 months, strictly. Yeah.
Okay.
Then I reduced it to 78.
So do you want to credit yourself or her?
She.
Definitely me.
Credit
Every
to
day.
always to her. Usually, you should have a partner to do anything which is out of your comfort zone, right?
Yeah.
So always you should have a partner. One day you feel like going in, so you pull your partner to go to the gym or so anywhere. Other day your partner will pull you in.
Okay.
So either of it, you will be doing it. Maybe you like it, you don't like it, but you will be doing it.
Then we are just setting up some goals for ourselves, now we wanted to work out for the upper body, and when upper body is in a perfect shape, then we work out for legs, and we concentrate we ensure that we are reducing fat, not the weight, and we are creating muscles. And just that we want strength because we are aging and we want strength.
Yes. So your favorite cheat meal?
Mine is a biryani, man.
Biryani. Your
She
biryani.
loves a biryani. We don't work out together.
You don't work out with
We
it.
don't work out together.
Used to when we
You have your training program and you
Yeah,
have
I
yours.
have mine.
together we had a training program.
So we do a cardio, not every time. She does it every day.
I do.
But I don't do it every day.
So you do weights and then you do
Yeah, she
cardio
do
I do
cardio.
weights
and then
together,
cardio.
yeah.
So what's your ultimate goal?
Maintaining the same weight, reducing the fat. That's the goal of what we have.
And being strong.
Thanks.
Yeah.
So do you mind if I keep this on Instagram?
Yeah, sure, go ahead. Sure.
Okay. Thank you for the video. Thank you.
You waited a lot of time for us.
Yeah.
Thank you.